Hello everyone, I am Manjari Priya Gupta. I am working as a director, a corporate leader in a leading Fintech company. Overall, with 17 years of work experience, I have been working in various banks, including Credit Suisse, ING, and many. I have worked in India and Australia, and I feel proud in these 17 years of my corporate journey. At the same time, in my personal journey, I have got this beautiful crown which I am adorning right now as Mrs. India Worldwide 2021 winner. I am also an awardee from the various national and international forum like Times of India, Bharat Gaurav Samman Award. Recently, I have been also honored as doctorate by United Nations. I feel immensely proud to say that way back in 2003, I took a right decision. At the time when I was not very confident, I took and I went ahead with my decision taking admission in Asia Pacific. And now everything looks history for me. I am doing really well because it has not only boosted my confidence during my B school days, but also has helped me through various techniques. I learned finance. I learned how to shape our future, contributing to the nation. At the same time, I am doing really well at my personal front. Thank you so much, Asia Pacific, and I really want to say all the very best to all of you. Thank you.